Ayubowan, welcome to Chena Huts by Uga. Let us show you around our property. Our 14 Chena Huts are spread out over a 7-acre property on the buffer zone of the Yala National Park. Feel free to explore around the property and visit our amenities which are tucked away in the jungle, such as the main pool, the Balinese and Ayurvedic spa, as well as our restaurant and beach bar. Your stay at our property is on an all-inclusive basis, which includes food, mouth-watering dishes which are a fusion of both Sri Lankan and Western recipes. If you'd like to learn how to prepare some of them, make sure to inquire with our team for a special beachside cookery class with the maestro himself. Drinks. Your stay with us also includes all-day access to our Jungle Beach Bar, which serves an uninterrupted flow of foreign and local liquors. Make sure you try out some Sri Lankan-inspired cocktails. They'll surely get you in the mood for a good time. Also check out the Sundowners for an unforgettable sunset at our private beach. Your room. Your climate-controlled room is prepped with premium bedding covered in Egyptian cotton sheets. And of course, we've stocked up your room as well. Everything you need can be found in your hut, along with its very own patio and plunge pool to help you relax and unwind in the lap of luxury. Game drives. We've got the best rangers on call for your safari into the Yala National Park. Sri Lanka's most popular national park is home to much more than just the famous leopard. Our rangers will guarantee you an experience of a lifetime with their wealth of knowledge and experience in the national parks. Feel free to reach out to any one of our guest experience managers and let them know what it is that you would like, and we shall make it happen for you. Wishing you a pleasant stay at the Uga Chena Huts in Yala.